Hey, what's going on, everybody? Big J Glees here, and welcome to part 2 of my video ebook series. We're going to look at the trips bunch, and the first play we're going to look at is verticals. And on this play, we're going to make 2 hot routes. We're going to block the halfback, and we're going to slant B across the field. And we're going to take a look at this play in slow motion. We're going to motion B out to the right, and as he takes a couple steps, we're going to snap the ball. And what this is going to do, it's going to create space. It's going to take the outside corner and move him out slightly. It's also going to create space between the B route and the A route going over the middle, and it's going to create space for the wheel route on the tight end. As you notice right there, I'm able to bullet pass that inside, click on, and catch it. Now, the tight end route is something you're going to have to read. This isn't something that's 100% automatic, but it's going to be open quite a bit. And right here, you'll notice that the slant route gets open in between and under the zones, as well as the A route gets open above the yellow zones underneath the safety, and you can throw it right in that window right there. We're going to take a look at this play from the left hash, and you'll notice that the tight end still gets open, but again, it's going to be something you're going to have to read. Alright, it is a little bit tighter of a throw. We're going to see this a second time, and it's a little bit more open this time. But make sure, again, that you're reading it. If you see that it's open, you can throw it, and it's a fairly easy user catch, but it's not something that's open 100% of the time, and I want to make sure that you're aware of that. The next play we're going to look at is the PA post, and we're going to do the same exact motion as on the verticals play. This play is a little bit different in the fact that you have a deep post, and the deep post, again, gets open underneath the safety and above the linebackers, and that's key in this game. The B route is going to keep the yellow zones down, as well as the slant or drag on the tight end. The only hot routes that you have to make on this play are to block the running back and to slant or drag the tight end. That's it. This play is extremely useful against all different types of coverages. It beats cover 3, it beats man, it also beats cover 2. But before we get to those other coverages, let's take a look at this play from the right hash. When you run this play from the right hash, the X route gets open, and this isn't something that gets open when you are on the short side or you're on the left hash. So make sure that you're aware of that. If you try to throw this on the left hash, you're most likely going to throw an interception. Right here against cover 2, you'll notice that the post route is open. It makes its double move, and you can throw it right in between the zones. Make sure that you're aware of the zones that are around the receiver, because you can use the precision pass to put the ball in the right spot, as you'll notice right here. Understanding and reading zones is something that takes practice. Be sure to do this in practice mode by selecting random play and running these plays against the defense. You can also check out my tutorial on how to read the coverages pre-snap, and I'll put the link down in the description below. From the right hash, the C route is a pass that you can make against cover 2, but it is very tight. I would suggest going elsewhere and throwing the underneath passes rather than throwing the C route on the left side of the field. Again, you can get it, but you have to read it. You have to wait until the drag pulls the cover 2 flat corner down, and then hold to the outside and bullet pass the ball. You'll notice versus man press that the post route does get open. You have to wait until he breaks on his double move, and once he breaks, he will be screaming open across the middle of the field. All of the other routes are also open. The slant, the drag, the C pattern on the left side of the field, everything is open against man. This play is an absolute man destroyer. For someone to user guard all of these routes, it would be completely impossible. So as long as you make the read against man, this play will absolutely get you yards, get you a first down, and most likely scoring 6. So the next thing we're going to look at is the run game out of this formation. And I will say that the run game is pretty limited out of this set. You really have 2 plays that you can choose from, and one is the draw and one is the sweep. And the play that we're going to focus on right now is the sweep. And the good thing about the sweep from the bunch is that you won't be outflanked to the right because you have so many receivers. And the best time to run this play is when someone shows blitz or Y lefts and has all of their players toward the line of scrimmage. This is going to cause them to all get locked up in the blocks. Once the ball snapped, make sure that you're focusing on the C gap, B gap outside area. And you're going to have to read it based off of what the defense does. You'll notice right here, I actually turn inside. So you're going to have to read it. It's going to go into one of those gaps. If you have the edge, you can take the edge, but if not, turn it upfield. The last play right here that we're going to take a look at is the Z spot. And for this play, we're going to hit LB and up. And what that's going to do is block our halfback and tight end. And this is going to eliminate a hot route for us. for us. So when we go to the line of scrimmage, we can hit LB up and then put our tight end on a drag and our outside receiver on a slant. So really, it's technically 2 hot routes. We're going to motion B to the outside. The drag and the crossing pattern or slant pattern are both open. The post that you saw right there is open against cover 3. The corner route is not going to be open against the cover 3, but that is going to be your man read. You'll see that the slot or the A receiver gets off the press here, and he is absolutely screaming open against man press, or any man, as a matter of fact. And it doesn't matter if it's a linebacker or a corner. As you saw there, he just smoked the corner to the outside. All of your underneath routes are also going to be open, and one route that I will caution you against throwing against man with 2 safeties over top is that post pattern. It's unbumpable. It looks like it can be open, but it's very risky. I would not throw it. It's not that you can't get it, but it is very risky. And as you noticed right there, off of the line of scrimmage, the corner actually got inside position. So it's something you have to read. It's not always 100%. Just stay away from it. Against a cover 2 zone, I also want to caution you against trying to throw that corner out. It could be open if we had a flat route to pull that corner down and a vertical to run that safety off. But right now with the current play setup, it's not open. So as you'll notice right here, the corner will go back and pick that ball off because he has nothing to keep him honest and keep him down toward the line of scrimmage. You can catch that ball if the corner does happen to stay down, and you can swoop inside for the user catch right there, but it's a high risk throw. It's something that's a high skilled catch. So unless you are comfortable doing that, I would suggest not doing that. But again, that's up to you. You have to make the read, and if you're skilled enough to make that catch, you can go ahead and throw it. So that's it for the Trips bunch. We're going to take a second here and refresh you on all of the audibles. You'll notice on the left we have the Z spot, halfback sweep, PA post, and verticals. And that is a complete breakdown of all of these plays. There are some other plays that are pretty good in this set and you can use depending on what the defense is giving you, but these are going to be your core plays. Be sure to click that subscribe button to stay up to date on part 3 of this free video ebook series. Thanks for checking in. It's Big J Glee signing out, and continue to game strong.